I have to say, for me, it's absolutely great to be here. You know, I'm delighted to represent not only the UK but the European element of this partnership. Toshiba Medical Systems is a leading worldwide provider of diagnostic medical imaging equipment and comprehensive medical solutions. And as Tony said, CT, MR, X-ray and ultrasound, plus some other imaging solutions that we do.
Thank you, Mark. Well, on my behalf, I would like to say that I'm really delighted to be here as a sponsor and partner of Barnet FC and the Hive. Here, we will be able to provide fully integrated training. We'll be able to do theory in the classrooms upstairs or run large seminars for several hundred people in the very large facilities upstairs. But equally, we're about to integrate that with the real machines in the imaging facility. And they'll include a top-of-the-range 1.5 Tesla MRI scanner, the XL Arts Helios, 160 slice CT scanner, Quilliam Prime, Apleo 500 top-of-the-range ultrasound scanner, and a DR general X-ray system. And these are machines that are not only state-of-the-art, but just starting to come out and go into very leading hospitals in the UK. Here, we'll be able to provide something that's cutting-edge, training for clinicians, and providing elite sports expertise, a centre of sports medicine expertise, and a medical facility that's open to the wider community. So it's actually ticking an awful lot of boxes. And it just suffices for me to say that we're truly excited by this. This is really inspiring for us as an organisation, and we'd like to thank Barnet and the Hive and Tony and his team for inviting us to be a partner, a sponsor, and we look forward to taking this not just a long way at this facility, but who knows what the future might hold on a wider scope.
I think sport in general, you don't have to define the sport, but sport in general is a long way behind in terms of its medical care. For the amount of money that goes into sport, I think the percentage of it which is invested in healthcare is almost minute by comparison. You know, when you take some of these elite athletes, and I think sport in general has a long way to catch up, irrespective of which part of sport it is. And I think, you know, this can be seen as maybe the first step towards the inclusion of sport in medicine.
What we offer here is for everybody, and as I said, to come this far to such an occasion today is just absolutely fantastic.
The intention is not only to bring together the best consultants in sports therapy at the site for the treatment of our athletes, but also those specialising in cardio and head trauma fields to conduct research and studies to assist with our learning and understanding of how sports affects the growth and development of our children and the impact to them and adults in sport.
So I think truly that we are bringing here top quality equipment and top quality specialists in a fantastic environment, and I think we're going to raise the standards of treatment.
I think this is the future for a lot of clubs now, because a lot of things can be done in-house, and also I think the community can also benefit from this, and also other local clubs, because let's face it, Barnet is not the only club here around here that also have maybe medical problems, and I think it's a plus for football and for a community to have such thing on your training ground.
And when we did our research, we looked at many different companies for this kind of equipment, and all the consultants we were speaking to were all saying, you want to see the new Toshiba stuff, it's really good. So for us to get what we discovered was the best out there, and to get them to say, yeah, we'll partner with you, it's fantastic, and it's just, I'm just so proud.